Number 11, we're back at this graph. If this market produced blank tons, then it would be, I mean, they're going for efficient is what they're trying to shoot for, right? And if you go to 30 and then you go up, this would be the efficient because you have to deal with some social cost and you need some social benefit. So it's just pointing out that it would be efficient when there are 30 tons of pollution. That's what it's trying to tell you. But we can look at the other answer choices. 45, social cost would be less than social benefit. Obviously, social cost is way higher. 20, the marginal social benefit would be less than marginal social cost, but the benefit's up here at that point. I mean, like, it's just plotting a graph. 20, the marginal social benefit would be 7. I mean, like, they're talking about marginal social cost. And 15, the marginal social benefit would be 5. And again, that's the marginal social cost. I mean, they're kind of ridiculous answers. It's just trying to get this idea that you want to produce where marginal social benefit equals marginal social cost.